Welcome, bienvenue, bienvenidas, yokoso to a new video. So recently I've been into, I don't know if you call this embroidery, but basically sewing, and I decided to decorate my anello bag with a few decorations. A lot of the designs are geometric animals because I would consider myself as an animal fanatic. And as you can see here, this is a geometric hummingbird. For all of these I went on Pinterest and picked some designs that I really liked and just hand sewed them onto my bag. If you find it easier, you can use a pencil or chalk or an oil pastel maybe to draw the design onto the bag before you sew onto it. Now I'm going on to the chameleon, and the geometric designs, they are just a matter of doing some random straight lines to make shapes, and it's really quite simple. For the black and white designs on my bag, I use a thin thread that isn't actually for embroidery, but here you can see an embroidery thread, and I split them into two strings and made my yellow designs. Now I think it's worth mentioning that I'm not a professional embroiderer, so here you can see me doing some common knots, double, triple at the end of each thread, which I don't think is the proper way, and there probably is an easier way to finish each piece off, but I don't really know, to be honest. Now onto a sun design that I found on Pinterest. Sorry, it's a bit off to the side, but I thought it was really cool, and this took me ages, and I should mention that these take quite a while to finish, but I find it really therapeutic, maybe while watching TV, so I would definitely recommend. I saw that Generation DIY did this design quite a while ago, and I saw similar designs on Pinterest, so I decided to do mountains with some stars and a moon. The contour lines here really gave oomph to the piece, and the smaller stars are really just small crosses. Then this side of the bag was basically about nature, so I wanted to add a plant. Each seed did take a while to make, but it turned out simple and very cute. Now I want to go on to a few pieces that I didn't actually film, but I did onto my jeans. This is a bee, and this is an unfinished The Burrow from Harry Potter. I actually made these shorts from jeans, but they ended up not fitting me and were too tight, so kind of a waste, but I got to practice my embroidery. Oh, and this is the feminist sign, and I messed up the fist, but it's okay. This is the elephant and the turtle that I made on World Turtle Day. I didn't manage to film the process, but here it is. Also, not everything is glamorous. As you can see, it's extremely messy on the back. You can't see it from the outside though. Well, that concludes the video. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this has inspired you to pimp up some of your belongings.